Hello everyone, myself Dr. Tuhin Vadra, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, School of Science, Adamas University. My field of specialization includes pluvial geomorphology, hydrology and water resource management, oceanography, remote sensing and geographical information system. Of many papers that I teach, hydrology is one of my favorite paper, and today I would like to discuss the paper hydrology, which includes water and its sustainable management techniques. We all know that water is one of the most vulnerable resource on the earth's surface. We need water for drinking, for domestic use, for agriculture, for industrial use. But the supply of water is limited and its demand is increasing rapidly with the galloping populations. As a result, many countries are facing acute water crisis. And to overcome this problem, we need sustainable water resource management. And for sustainable water resource management, basic concept of hydrology is very essential. Our course hydrology can be divided in broad three categories. The first one is surface water hydrology that deals with the global hydrological cycle, the occurrence of water, different component of the global hydrological cycle and its measurement techniques. And we generally focus on estimation of runoff, estimation of discharge and velocity of river, etc. The groundwater, second section is groundwater hydrology that deals with the groundwater flow, the water bearing formation and the natural process of groundwater recharge. And the third section is water resource management that deals with the artificial recharge of groundwater or the rainwater harvesting techniques and integrated river basin management, micro watershed planning, etc. So these three sections, all these three sections are very important to assess the water resource availability and demand in any region. Beside these three sections, our students of Adamas University additionally learn different hydrological and hydrodynamic modeling tools, which is not a part of their syllabus, but it will help them to develop sound knowledge on the field of applied hydrology. We also conduct different field visit and visit to different hydrological laboratories, and our students also learn to handle different hydrological instruments in our university. So if you would like to develop your hydrological knowledge, or if you like to be established as a hydrological expert in near future, we welcome you to join Department of Geography, Adamas University. Thank you.